If you want to make a prank call without getting caught, try keying in *67 before you dial the number you want to call. If you're in North America, this code will disguise your caller ID. You can also try using a prepaid phone, an online calling service, or a burner app that can generate a temporary phone number. To avoid getting in trouble, don't do anything illegal, such as prank calling an emergency service number, pretending to be a law enforcement officer, or making threats. Also avoid asking the person you're calling for any personal information. Keep the tone of the call lighthearted and silly, so that nobody feels frightened or offended. The longer you stay on the call, the more likely it is that you'll get caught, so keep it short. Plan out what you want to say ahead of time, and try to keep your call to 5 minutes or less.